A bird. He cannot get that one piece. He's like, I give up. You can do it. Try again. He literally tried to get that piece like 6 times.
You attack me, I swear.
Don't provoke him. Don't provoke it. Let's do wildlife commentary. Here we are. Walt Disney World. We're tracking the very rare and dangerous cuckoo birds. He is like not even concerned.
Child appeared and attacked. No.
He is hunting popcorn like nobody's business. If it just turns around and goes ape on us, I'm gonna lose it. I'm gonna go on a punching spree. And he's left us.
He's like, I'm out of here, stupid.
Goodbye.
This wasn't in my contract.
All right, well, we're waiting for the Country Bear Jamboree. We've got like 10 minutes or something. So let's look at toys. All right. Well, there's a Davy Crockett hat. Excuse me. We've got some lots of bears. That's new.
Like
they look worn. Well, wait, yeah, that's the right word. Do they smell like strawberries?
Smell like something. Nice.
They
Not
do.
strawberries, but nice. The air smell.
Little Plutos. Oh, there's another one. There's 2 of them.
There's 3 of them.
It's beautiful. Oh, look at this one. What is that on there?
Frost.
Oh. I wish it were cool. Oh, I wasn't even watching. Do it again. Do it again. Do 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 do. M-I-C-K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E. My turn. Mickey Mouse.
Oh man.
It smells like honeysuckles over here. I guess it's those flowers. Oh, look at these cute little hats. I like that one.
Oh, I love hats.
So many hats.
Oh look, it's like an eye thing.
Ooh, let me see. Start from the beginning. Steamboat Willie. Today. You went in the wrong. Oh, is it not in order?
Yes.
Go in that
Go
other
that
direction.
Stupid.
Mickey Follies, okay. Braille. Braille? Is that what that says?
Brave little Taylor.
Okay, I was like, what? Sorcerer Mickey. That was the 40s, really? Nifty 90s. Okay.
And today.
And today. Cool. Alright, there's another bird. Here comes my daddy. Uh-oh.
I've seen enough birds. Look, look, they have games.
Cool. Let's see if we can play. Go play.
I want to play.
Stop that now. Stop that right now.
Go ahead.
Isn't it great? Are you guys going to play?
She is.
Alright, cool.
How do you play?
So, I'm not as good either. So, basically what's going to happen
Okay.
is you take this here. You're going to toss it. I like to toss it like a frisbee to see what happens. So, you're going to stop that. Stop.
Hey, no, you're man's concentration.
Toss it.
It was close.
Like that.
That one was closer.
So you can toss
Woo!
it. Alright.
Okay, go Taylor.
Okay.
Only one of us can record.
So, who's gonna? Are you gonna try?